Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Hoory AI's How-To series. In this episode, I will show you how to create a Facebook Messenger-based channel. Let's go! Log into your Hoory AI account. Navigate to Settings, select Inboxes. After that, click the Add Inbox button. Choose Messenger from the list of available channels. Click the Facebook Login button. It will open a new window for you to log in into your Facebook business account. Authenticate with Facebook and choose the page you want to connect to your Hoory AI account. Enable all the permissions shown in the list to ensure Hoory AI can smoothly perform all the necessary actions. Select your Facebook page from the drop-down menu on Hoory AI. Add agents to your Messenger-based inbox. Now you are all set. You have connected your Hoory AI to your Facebook account, which means that you can see and reply to your customers' Facebook messages right from your Hoory AI dashboard. And that's a wrap for today. Make sure to subscribe for more tips and updates from Hoory AI. See you in the next episode.